the consequences here.
Yeah, but firstly, you've got to understand that your ex is not showing you their ex. Your present, your current is not showing you their ex, but her ex or his ex is a part of their lives. Okay.
How are they? You see, this is where it all goes wrong.
Because the problem, Chaya, is that we refuse to be human, and we refuse to understand that relationships that have been built and memories that have been made will last for a lifetime with us. And sometimes when a relationship ends, it does not mean that things have got to be bitter and sour and we've got to be enemies, we've got to build walls. But sometimes it means that it's the building of bridges when a season ends. And when you understand that the season has ended, but it doesn't mean that I have to chop down the whole guava tree because my guava has kubereka. You understand?
Okay.
Wow.
So, okay, look, did you see the look on Speedo's face? Yes. She's just thinking she won the whole battle. But I'm thinking, look, yes, as much as we're not creating enemies anyway, right? Mm-hmm. He is but should I continually be seen with this person?
How often is continual?
Kuda indafonirwa achaya uri papi iwe andiri na TD tiri pakona paipai iwe hasi TD we takataura ngezvaya kuti wanga ambori here andiye mangwana ndafonirwa futi uri papi I was just having lunch, you know how it is. How does that make me feel?
Yeah? All right, all I would say about that is that kuna knows my healthy relationships and in any relationship, be it between mothers and fathers, brothers and sisters, teachers and students, exes and whatever, kuna inonzi healthy relationship. And if you see that pane paku overstep of a relationship, it means that it's unhealthy and it's becoming toxic if it starts affecting your relationship. This is why exactly we go to school for certain hours and we go home to our parents and we spend a certain time with our parents, and when we mature, we must move out of the house and move on. But it does not mean that they cease being my parents because I've moved out. In the same fashion, amen, my ex remains a part of my life because takambo
but
asi zvakaramba kana tine mamwe madhira atinokwanisa kuka tichishanda pamwe tiri kuhodhesana madomasi pamwe pane mamwe madhira atinawo pamwe tinoenda tese kuchechi ndochinja chechi here naichaya nekuti ndarama.
No, you don't change it. Look, but constantly. Look.
No, say it. You don't.
Okay, you can't change a location. You can't change a location. You guys don't kill me here, right? You can't change the location that you're at, right? But I'm talking about, look, my expectations, your ex might just go high. They might see that light. I don't know. If I continue with TD, yeah, I might just make a move and I'm back where I was before.
This is why I'm saying, then if it goes into that range, it has become an unhealthy and toxic relationship. And that is when you come to the point where you say, okay, fine, this is time to say goodbye. My friend, I tried to, just be a good friend after Tarambana, because yes, it did not work out for us to be in love, but we can continue to be as friends and enjoy. Because remember, some people actually start off as friends before they actually date.
Our objection.
And they start off as friends and they're friends for a long time now.
It's very true. And sometimes, from then on, people actually get a better relationship. Yeah. And then some people have a better relationship as friends rather than when they were dating.
Exactly. And when they break up, then they decide, you know what? Let's just go back to being friends.
It's much better that way.
My God, what is this world coming to? What kind of friendship is that? This is from Chicks Papena Longa. Chicks, no, you guys.
Insecurities. Because when you put your 100% into the relationship, in India, so 100% yangu mu relationship. Unochike ikuti usangane nemunhu wandinenge ndinaye. Zvakaramba. I found something else chandiri more compatible nacho. Toramba here tichisa biscuit wheel show apa motikari rosiri vhirirepo. Rova ratorambira kuti saka zvichatoite.
TD. There's the element here. One of the main consequences is, look, there's going to be this element here. You're going to start thinking, look, I can't really live without Chaya. Yeah? Because you're always around me. You always want to be around me. And then the other guy is thinking, she doesn't spend as much time as she spends. Because I get jealous.
You're just being jealous. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for using the correct word. Love is jealous. Love is not jealous.
At least I'm not the only one who's thinking it's a no-no. I keep on talking. Keep on talking to your ex is not allowed. Because it shows, Kuti, it was a fake divorce. Ya munenge makaita. Munenge muchiri kunzwirana jinja. Pane anenge achiri kumerera. Yeah? Yeah? Amen.
Right. I think, okay, you know what? Let's go back to the order of things. when you break up with somebody, make sure kuti mashika chaipo chaipo pekuti handichani.
Okay.
Dambudziko ratinaro nderekuti tinotaura kuti handichadi chaya. Asi nini ndiri kureva kuti chaya ndiri kuda break. Handiti? Kana kuti chaya I need some space. Kana kuti chaya izvezvizvi emotionally handisiri panapa ndichazoti ndodzoka. And then after a while I forgive you and I still want you. My heart is still in love with you.
Okay,
but when you resolve and come to the point chaya yokuti unosota kuti chaya ine handichadi. Zvaramba. It's nothing, dear. Zvaramba kuti tidanane. When you get to that point and there is complete closure, there is no need yekuchamererana. Muri kumererana chi?
Amana kwenda ku break.
Kuitanganye.
Titato kuskure.
Not everybody can have the same food every day. You can't keep on having sadza every day.
What?
Yeah.
Did you just say that?
Oh my God.
I'm saying it this way.
I don't get that one. You
No,
have to
okay,
elaborate.
here's the thing. I'm just going. Raman rundo ya sadza kapangwa mori bika ritete move mabika richidini. Nasi nomoti mana. Don't razonyanya.
Uruda
rice. Ganumbo siana listen. It doesn't mean space. Wait, space. It doesn't mean I don't love my sadza. I'm not saying I don't love my sadza.
But you just want to eat some rice.
I just need a break from the sadza.
No,
Okay, I wouldn't put it like that. I wouldn't put it like that. I would probably say, in every relationship, there's something that we do as, especially females. I'll speak from a female point of view because I know that we do this. We tend to cluster our men when we get into relationships, where you want him to call you 24/7, you want him to be there constantly. You just want him to be there. When I go out, babas and don't phone and say you know what, I'm saturated, I can't breathe.
Yeah.
And you can't breathe. It's not that you've stopped loving me, but it's that you need to breathe. You need time. It's like you need a holiday. But on the holiday, it doesn't mean that I'm going to be with you cry or I'm going to be with anybody else. No, it simply means that I need time to myself so that I can look at things and put everything into perspective.
I would like someone
I
else
don't know what this is my Malomo Badiva because you will never win this one. Because Munenga Murgus Virana Shuka, Asakapano Neta, and then somebody says, Achaya, you're right, Ajiti, this is Lisa, but uptown.
You're wearing my messages. I'll go no day.
Ain't nobody saying it today. You see what happens?
But come I tell you the truth? People will not be honest about this. Vanhu vakawanda vari kutaura nemaexes avo and vanhu vakawanda vari kuda kutaura nemaexes avo, but unfortunately kurudzi rwedu rwendisingachatauri kuti nderwupi rwetiri kuziyana tese hatinyanyi kuda kuburitsa zvetinozwa kutobudisa pachena kuti ini nangu ndizvo ndiri kuda, kana kuti ndikazoti uyu wakamboda nani kuti ndizoti ndinoenda saka unofira mukati, but munhu uchitaura naye ndopa unozobatirwa foni yako vhozi uri kutaura nemunhu kabisira, because iwewe you still long for something in them that is not necessarily hugging and kissing and whatever, but you long perhaps their conversation, maybe their connections, their networks, the opportunities that they can open up for you.
Then are you saying
maybe they can lend you money?
Okay.
Now
It's getting real now.
Then somebody here says,
yes.
Yeah, go girl, tell Chayanne's BCC.
Thank you, sister.
No, but look, who does that?
I mean,
as you guys.
It's true.
Vese ivava vari kudaiso ndikutaura kuti vakasangana nemaexes avo vanenge vachida kutaura nawo, but iwe ukaona if you cannot openly speak with your ex, then ndimi vachona mune maproblems. Unofanira kuita free kuti ndikaona ex yangu Chaya uyu ko naningi uyu zvotopera ane mukadzi wake ane family yake, handizorambizve ndangoti kozve ex yangu yai kozve ex yangu yai kozve kuita kunga ningirini vanonzi anuya anoita keep making reference to Stana.
Ndichimbe kubate pamuromo wako.
Yes.
You said there's probably the way Chaya speaks that the new brother ain't speaking, yeah? You like that about that?
She didn't say that the other brother is not speaking.
I did not say that.
She didn't say that.
I did not say that.
She didn't say that.
Because it's what? Do you know what's happening? Like, okay, fine. I'll use the cash that you said, the last thing that you talked about, the cash part. Yeah, maybe Chaya is not all that giving. Yeah, but look, can one person be everything? Yeah.
No, that's just the thing. But some person can have more than the one. And let me tell you something. This is something very honest, and most people might not agree, but you never really get to marry the person that you love. The person that you really love, you don't really marry that person.
Like seriously, the time is exactly 28
and I gotta go.
28 minutes to 5, and yeah, we had to get TD because like me and Speedo were never gonna get to the end of this. And you can actually give us your take, give us your comments 078-222-8578. And if you're catching us via live stream on www.diamondfm.zw, Iwaka +263 and no number we're just gonna take a musical break and we'll be back soon after this. Aguna. No. You cannot share. As much as you want to be the girl.
I agree with you.
Imagine, I want to put a ring.
I agree with you. But I'm playing good comeback over here.
Speedo. Okay, he's showing up with a chick. Chai. What happens? Okay, there's something somebody said. Pamapacho, when you're like having an extra thingy on the side, let it be something that when your wife looks at, she's like, hey, my brother, why don't you understand that type of thing? It's a chick like that. I'm telling you. Oh no, she was my ex, yeah, and you're thinking, hey, what happened? How did I get this guy?
You know what? I want to say something
just being
to you.
Insecure.
It doesn't mean that the person I'm with is the best good looking or the what.
Yeah.
All right. My ex could be much better looking than my current or something like that. But there's just this one thing that my ex has done or does that even with all that, gorgeous look and all that, you're like, and that can bypass. You understand what I'm saying?
That could
No. That's the thing. Like what you were saying. Let it be. Come to a consensus. If my friend sees me, Speedo,
did you ever think of why Amara sang of Achilles? Yeah? As much as she doesn't want him, look, as much as she doesn't want the brother. Look, listen. As much as the brother, she doesn't want the brother anymore. The way the brother's maintaining his body is just making her think, yo,
that's what she
how
wants.
can I live without this, yo?
That's what she wants.
So the brother is gonna use that, yeah?
No, it's fine.
You know what brothers
do
now?
Thing.
They use that.
Here's the thing, my brother. No matter how good looking you are, I can walk out with a scar and I've written you off, car. Even if you
lie.
No. That's your problem.
It's a lie from the people.
But you need to come with the consensus. You can never have a conversation or a relationship that's beyond the one.
Conversation bosha, but ndikazona iwo makudairana na hana na sweet.
Kuda
ma confirmation esari mfoni mako emari ari kubva kwari.
Why would I say hana sweet?
Yes, I didn't know.
Excuse me.
You like that?
Excuse me. Andina kuti tinenge tichitama hana
sweet. I can't say that. Yeah?
No.
Maybe I can't say that. Because me, I'm not an actor.
Say something. Itakuti Speedo. Kokana makuta mahana sweet ndozodi. Kwete kuti hazi munenge muchitama mahana sweet. Who told you tinenge chitama mahana sweet in the ex? Akuna zvakadaro. Inika ndoti right off, it's right off.
Oh, no, but look, whichever way.
It's not about sweet. This now kukuza ukuthi isu stage taura hana sweet.
Andenda zona.
Kana ndisati. Uchinita road speed ukwandika kuona uchita hana sweet. Then I ndopindura panyayo. Aiwa, let's be fair. Nditaure izvozvo ndikakuona uchita hana sweet ndokupindura panyayo. Kwete kupinza iwe.
Ndenda kutonga ndakuchengera.
Exactly.
Right. You also
thank you so much. Uruchengera kundida ukoti yosaka yo baby urutida basi rakushare mahana sweet. Then I'm being wrong. Didn't wrong. Ayes, didn't wrong. Kutondida kutochengera kutondida zvo ndovoti kutoti kushare.
The moment you've all been waiting for.
I'm just trying to put this.
I'm touched.
Because our beloved nation, Zimbabwe, is open for business, has been endowed with vast property.
You talked about the fact you like something about this person, hey? I'm a guy, right? I'm gonna use that
How do you
to lure you? Because I know Speedo likes the way I talk. Speedo likes the way I make her laugh. Yeah, and probably you're gonna tell me, dude doesn't even have jokes. Yeah, dude doesn't even have jokes.
Tell you something, then sister, you stupid. You stupid.
Like seriously?
You're supposed to be protecting your love and your man. How do you tell and expose your man's weakness so that you get yourself in a lot of trouble? Then you stupid.
I know. It's what I'm saying in Nini, right? Listen, so TD decides, look, I ain't going nowhere because you guys are gonna end up like throwing bumpers in the place. So here's the thing. I'm saying, Speedo, like you spoke about it. Good, look, there's probably something, right? You like about this person that probably Chaya does not do. Hey, or maybe the other brother makes you actually, he makes you laugh better. Yeah.
Okay.
And as a guy, at the moment I'm going to notice, okay, if I do this, Speedo kind of melts. Yeah. I'm going to use that, and this might be my comeback.
Right.
Yeah. This might be my comeback. Did you watch Black Panther?
I did.
Yeah. Did you see? Did you see how it was?
Here's what I want to say
designed?
to you.
Yeah.
Hanzi, TD specifically said, benefit from the brother Anditika, right? For example, wait.
Just hold on.
Relax. You spoke and I was listening, my brother. Here's the thing. Right, fair enough. Animal opportunities like Anditika, they've got certain relationships that they can. Anditi, we are in conversation and that's where we meet. But business, Anditika.
Yeah.
And Ia cannot say to his advantage. Then if I'm a sister and if I'm a girl, right? And I keep on going, then there is silly, because I'm not protecting my relationship and I'm not respecting my man.
Okay.
Not just respecting your man, but respecting yourself.
Exactly.
So it all begins with self-respect. If you do not have self-respect, then really you can't expect someone else to come and police you and come and train you how to respect yourself. Cheating in a relationship where no exes are involved. If someone does not have self-respect for themselves, personal dignity chaye anita zvanoda unonzwa kuti ane mwana wechikoro unonzwa kuti ane whoever ane mbuya yake ane whatever ari kungoita izvozvo because that person has random acts because internally they have they have internal conflicts that are going in. So iwewe kana usina self-respect, you're going to have a lot of drama. Have some self-respect, have closure, and just be an open person. If you are in a relationship and you like your ex, tell your present, your current kuti inini na Kyle takarambana, but Kyle is my friend and Kyle ndinoshanda naye. Kyle ndiye wandinohoda huku kwadziri chero zvikaita sei. Kyle ane achizotenga huku idzodzo dzaita. You will see. No, I will not be with him every day, but you will see me. If you see me having lunch with Kyle, don't think anything because you trust me. If you have trust in a relationship, then there's no problem.
And I'm supposed to say, ho, 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 Merry Christmas.
No, you're not going to say, ho, ho, Merry Christmas.
Like what TD is saying, trust and openness. The more you keep on looking into something, unita BP yako weka.
Messenger, a lot happens in Facebook Messenger. You go into Messenger and you see, yo, why are these people talking behind my back? And someone tells you when they meet Mutaunu Movano Darikana. But yeah, the thing is that Muchifama message, they pass each other in town. How would you feel? If I passed my ex in town, I never spoke to him, never did anything. But you come to my phone or into my Facebook, my Messenger, and you see that we are having conversations, regular conversations. We're talking about everything. This person knows about my family and everything, but how would you feel?
Well, that one is worse, yeah? But still, convo is
how would you feel? You're saying that one is worse. How would you feel?
Well, that's bad, yeah?
My point exactly.
That's like terrible.
Saying, be open about it. You've got to understand. Iwewe se munu, same komana, all right. Say my current Andindika. You should be able to.
Am I your current?
Oh, come on.
I'm just trying to.
You're my partner.
Okay. So I just have to say this. I just got a message from Tatilicious.
Go ahead.
Let's not go. But now I just got a message from Tatilicious. I just have to say. You all know who that is, yeah.
Yeah. So we're saying, right? We're saying, let's be open about it, and let's be open about things. Sorry, it's okay. We'll fill you in. Let's be open about our things, so because you don't know that Kayo ex yang kwanditika. Kwete utozotazve kuzozwa kuti no. Iwe uriti speed ona Kyle wachatauri. Ndinoona every day. Even though it is once ndachapfura nepana Kyle. Munhu anokuziva iwewe anobata mufesi wangu rutorarisiswa. Iwewe speed wanenge achipfura pana Kyle every day ndinoona wachitaura hauri mufesi uruvharwa iwewe. At the end of the day, if you know that I'm open kwauri ndichikuudza handitika, there is transparency because apana mumwe munhu anokwanisa kupinda in between your love. But mukahaidirana zvinhu mukanyeperana muchitirana tuma rules ka musingakwanisi kuzozviita mese manje. Ndopamunenda kukonana.
Okay, here's a message.
Pamwe ex wangu inini anohaisa matende. Ndoto hayatendere birthday rako yapa usuziya.
Iwe, ndiyega unohaisa matendere.
Yeah, anenge akachipa. Anipenge chipo.
Alright, wadi kunditiwo child.
Azozvizwa.
Izwa. Urikona pezvinotanga kushupa ipo papo. Ngekuti inini wadi kunditi chayo. Hapana ere unoziya iwe une matende akati chipenyi kudarika uyu.
Because ndatokubvunza unenge watoti handisuziya tsvaka. Plus inenge iri surprise party.
Hey. All right. Anyway, I don't think I'll win this one. As you can see, Chaya, I second you. A teardrop. Mkomana wako akafonerwa amuri mese ovahati kwauri. Excuse me. Then otanga kutaura. For someone like 15 minutes, iwe wakaterera zvako. Achipota, achimbosekerera. Uye, ari kutambisa mukumbo. After the call, I was talking to my ex. How do you feel? Do you feel comfortable? Tell me the truth.
To tell you the truth, this is Divaga. Now, this is where I said transparency, openness. If it is her, akanyatsa kusavega, Speedo is calling Chaya. You pick up your phone. I look at the phone. I even see that it's Speedo. I even pick up the call. Hi, Speedo. Hi, Tidi boy. Can I please speak to Chaya? Hold on. I give Chaya the phone. That's open. There is no room yekuti ndizotanga kufunga zvinhu zvakawanda. Pane kuti ambotoreka phone achitamisa kamukumbo. Shamari vanhu vanotamisa mukumbo kana vachitaura pafoni. Nditika it's not a sign yekuti ndiri kunakirwa pautamisa kamukumbo.
Okay, sorry.
But
Can I just help you out?
Yeah.
Here's what happens. You know how people are wicked, right? Especially in this world that we're living in. Yes, I'm with TD, right?
Yeah.
I'm with TD. Speedo knows that I'm with TD, right? But because Speedo ane agenda yake, if TD answers my phone, yeah, like you said, kunyepa kuyakwe, akunyepera, okay, cool.
I like that.
Then the moment I say hi Speedo, then she's like, hey Han, I'm missing you. Iwe urukuti it's genuine.
No.
The guy, the minute you realize that someone is trying to come in between, you know, Chaya, the one thing that we are so blessed with as human beings is that we have a sixth sense. But most times we refuse to listen to that sixth sense. Pama friends ako ese kana pama ex ako ese pane waunotoziva kuti uyu handitombofanira kamuintroduce kune my current because uyu ka munhu uyawo yokutoti anogona kutongouya obva atanga kungoita zvese izvozvo ane mweya usiriwo waJezebel. Saka vana Jezebel toti hatidi nana Derida hativade. Handiti if you've got an ex who has a Jezebel spirit and a Delilah spirit, please put them away, leave them alone. They are not for your current relationships. Those ones you tie and you remove and you bury them. You never wake them up. But
Tidi, how can you bury munane matende akachipa sha? Matende. No, like seriously, how do you bury?
You've got to find another one because
Jezebel, you have to bury.
You've got to.
How do you bury munane huku dzakachipa?
Ona. Hunu wake Chaya, hunu wake hauite shamari. At the end of the day, hunu wake
toxic, unhealthy. Always go back to that toxic, unhealthy. Go to closure. Be honest and get rid of insecurities. Jealousy is there, it's healthy, but only to a certain extent.
Yes.
Ukaona munhu akasingaiti jealous paurisha achingoti taura hako nema ex ako ese iwo chitonetseka kuti anondida here because unodotakura kuti ukalevel ke jealousy zvokuti zviri kuita vanhu zvekuti hazvite zviri healthy but pane pekutiwo futi zvinozoita unhealthy. But you have to have some level of jealousy kuti nini ndinzwoka kuti unondida eka nekakutyawo kutorerwa.
So we're saying the consequences. Actually, you can face the consequences.
A cheater will always be a cheater, Chaya.
All right. So
whether they speak to their exes or not, a cheat will always be a cheat.
Yeah?
Yes. No. A disrespectful person will always disrespect you. So you can't really go around policing, being the police of people's character. You just, give your best to somebody and expect that they respect you too, they reciprocate. If they don't do that, don't kill yourself, don't be brokenhearted.
Right? It's not about are you talking to your ex or not, yeah?
like what she said, if you don't respect yourself, there is no way you're going to be able to respect the next person.
Yeah, and you can eat Saturday every day.
Yeah.
You get what?
You can eat Saturday every day.
For that one, yeah? For that one,
yeah.
You can keep the guy, Kanaine Yeah, you're still tuned into Diamond FM, Mtware's own and only radio station. The time is exactly 13 minutes to 5, and Tiripo Irupa Gini Mkindi are doing what we do best, just to entertain, inform, and educate, yeah?